Let's look in detail at the different ways that we could tell that two triangles are congruent. Here we have the triangle ABC, and here we have the triangle PQR. We have a 7 cm side in each, a 10 cm side in each, and a 14 cm side in each. We say that these triangles are congruent by SSS, meaning that all three sides are equal. Now consider these two triangles. We can see that in each triangle we have a 100-degree angle and a 50-degree angle. We know the angle sum for a triangle is 180, so the remaining angle must be 30 degrees. So the angles are the same in both triangles. This means the two triangles are the same shape. Between the 30-degree and 50-degree angle in both triangles is a length of 14 centimeters. So a corresponding side is equal. We can say, since this corresponding side is equal, that the triangles are congruent by AS. Think of the original information given. We had two angles and a corresponding side. Consider instead this situation. Both triangles have a 100-degree and a 50-degree angle. The remaining angle is 30 degrees. The angles in both triangles are the same, and this tells us that the two triangles are the same shape. However, if we look at the corresponding sides that we know, one is 14 centimeters and the other 13. So they're a different size. That means that the triangles are similar, not congruent. If we consider this situation, where we know in each of the triangles one angle, and it's the same, and the sides that include the angle, note how the sides are on either side of the angle, are the same as they are here, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SAS, side, angle, side. Another situation in which we can say that two triangles are congruent is if both have a right angle, the hypotenuse is the same, and one of the shorter sides is also the same. We say it's congruent by RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, shorter side.